Hi, this is part 9. In this session we will learn about some functions in the SQL Server. What is the functions? Now I am going to show some most important functions in the SQL Server. Look at this SQL max, min, average, sum, count functions in the SQL Server. What is the function? Function is database object in SQL Server. Let us see one by one these 5 functions. Let us see. I'm going to show these 5 functions one by one with syntax. See, this is max functions. Why use it? It is used to return the largest value of the selected column. This is syntax. Select max of column name. You will enter here column name, from enter here your table name, then where condition. The next one, min. Min is minimum. Why use it? It is used to return the smallest value of selected column. This is the syntax. Select the min of column name, enter here column name, from your table name, enter here what is your table name, that name you enter here, then where condition. The next one is average. It is used to return the average value of a numeric column. Syntax. This is the syntax. Select average of column name, enter here column name, from table name, where condition. Next one is sum. What is the sum? Sum is total. It is used to return the total sum of a numeric column. This is the sum syntax. This is the sum syntax. See, select sum of column name from table name where condition. Then the another one is count. What is the count? Why use it? It is used to return the number of rows that matches a specified criteria. This is the syntax of count function. Select count of column name, enter here column name, from table you can enter here table name where condition. Okay, now I am going to show how to do in this SQL Server Management Studio. Okay, let us see. Now I am going to open my SQL Server Management Studio. See, already we have here one database, DB employee. Also we have here one table. The table name is TBL salary. Okay, now I am going to execute this select query. See, now you can see here one table, TBL salary. We have here 4 column, ID, name, age, salary. Also we have here total 7 rows. Okay guys, now I want to take who is getting maximum salary from in this table. Okay, let us see how to do this. Now I am going to write query here. Listen. Select max of salary from, enter here table name. What is our table name? TBL salary. Okay, TBL salary. Okay, now I am going to execute this query. Let us see what is going to happen. See, now you can see here we get one result here, 7,700. This is the maximum salary from this table. This is the maximum salary in this TBL salary table. Okay, now I am going to execute together this 2 query. Then you can see. Okay, see here, this is our table TBL salary. You can see here from this table 7,700 is maximum salary. Okay, this maximum salary is here. Okay, now I want to know who is getting minimum salary from in this table. Okay, now I am going to write the query. Okay, select then min of salary from TBL salary. Table name is TBL salary. Okay, now I am going to execute this query. See guys, see here, now you can see here 2500. 2500 is minimum salary in this table. Okay, now I am going to execute this both query. See, now you can see here this 2500 is minimum salary in this table. Okay, then next I want the sum of the salary. I want the sum of this total salary. Okay, how to do? Okay, let us see. Select sum of salary from where? From TBL salary. Table name is TBL salary. Now I am going to execute this query and let us see what is happening, what is showing. Okay, you can see here 29,270. This is the sum of total salary from in this table. Okay, this is the total sum of the salary. Okay, now I am going to count. Now I am going to execute this select query again. See here in this table. Okay, now I want to know how many rows are available in this table. What is the query? Now I am going to write the query. Select. Here we are using count of name from table name. What is the table name? TBL salary. TBL salary. Now I am going to execute. Now I am going to execute this query. See, you can see here 7. What is this 7? In this table available total 7 names are available this table. Okay, you can see here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. I'm going to show how to use where condition with this query. Okay, now I am going to write one query here. Select max of salary from this table. What is the table name? TBL salary. Then where condition I am giving here where ID 1 where ID between 1 and 6. Okay, what is the meaning here? Select max of the salary. Select maximum salary from this table between from ID 1 to 6. It will not take these rows, 7th rows it will not take. It will take only ID number 1 to 6. From ID number 1 to 6. Okay, let us see. I am going to execute this query. Then after we can see this result. Then after we can see this result. Okay guys, now you can see here select max of salary from TBL salary where ID between 1 and 6. Okay, also I am going to execute here select star from TBL salary. Okay, I am going to execute this two query. Okay, now you can see here this is our table. Total we have here 7 rows. Okay, but what was our where condition? ID between 1 and 6. Okay, from ID between from 1 to 6. Okay, from these 6 rows, which one is maximum salary? This one, ID number 6, Shan, age 37, then salary is 7,700. This is the maximum salary from ID number 1 to 6. Okay, this is the maximum salary between ID number 1 and 6. Okay, you can see here it is did not take this ID number 7 row, did not take. Okay guys, it is the most important functions in the SQL server. You can try it, it is very easy. Okay guys, let us see next video with another topic. Okay guys, thank you.